What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to Knife Life BDC. Got another review slash overview for you, and this one is going to be the Kizer Mini Paragon. Um, Kind of just wanted to give a review over this. I kind of did a first impressions. I didn't think I was going to do a review or anything like that, but I figured why not. It's kind of a unique knife to me. I didn't really carry it a whole lot. I actually did carry it in my pocket some just to see how goofy it kind of was. And that's not a goofy knife. It's just a different knife, and it's got some good size to it. Like as you can see, like it's not going to fit in your pocket necessarily the easiest for most people. I didn't mind it too much, but it did kind of. She does have some weight to her, and obviously she is kind of long. Obviously not much longer than the Kunwu S Tau. So see, as you can see, not too much longer. Um, but it had some size to it, like thickness and width and everything like that. It was just kind of big. It's kind of big. Um, it does. I like the steel. It does have that 154 cm, so it's got some pretty decent steel for you. Obviously, good stuff. I don't know. Honestly, when I first saw this, I saw a review. I can't remember who did it. I think it was Stasa. I can't remember his numbers, but it's Stasa, the YouTube channel. Cool guy. I think he did it. I think it was him. It was not years ago, excuse me, months and months ago. I think it was him. Now that I'm thinking about it, not 100% for sure, but check out his channel anyway. Cool dude. Seems like does a lot of knife reviews and stuff like that. Just a good channel to check out and watch and everything. But so I was like, I kind of got to try that out. I got to get me one, and I don't know. It's kind of goofy, but it looks cool. Like it does look like a shark to me. Like there you go. You got the gills right there and everything, and it's got like a shark type body and head and everything. And I don't know. I just thought it looked kind of cool. Not a knife I actually have never cut with this thing, and this is one of the few knives I've never cut anything with. Um, I just kind of like to look at it sometimes, pull it out, kind of flip it open sometimes, and honestly, it's not got the for I guess as big as it is, the action isn't too bad. Um, One thing that always bugged me with it though, I can never flip it open really. See, I've never really been able to flip it all the way open, and I can barely even get it. Man, I think it's because I have short fingers. Obviously, I got these little stubby guys, but I can do it with my thumb. Obviously, not too bad. I think it's a big knife, and for my small little Vienna sausages, I guess those little fingers. But I don't know. I thought it was a cool knife. Kind of expensive for what it is, for not ever really using it. It kind of sucks that way. I thought about taking it camping or something like that, and just using it as like I said, a knife just to beat the crap out of camping. Cut stuff with it and everything. Go whittle or cut branches, stuff like that. It's whatever I do in camping. I can always find a use for something. But I don't know. It's not a bad knife for what it is. It's just more like a cool look, I think. I mean, obviously it's got that Tonto blade on it, which kind of makes it cool looking, and like the shark look and everything. I don't know necessarily what's up with these little guys right here, little jimping, I guess. Um, I don't know. I don't know how to. I guess you could really choke up on it and get your thumb right there, I guess. That's not real comfortable for me, I guess, because it's kind of really have to stretch, and I don't have like a finger twirl or anything right there. So that's kind of no use for me right there. It does have, okay, it's a black micarta. It's kind of burlap to me. I don't know why. It doesn't seem like normal micarta. Like it's like burlap type stuff. And at first it kind of stunk, to be honest with you. It stunk like a burlap bag. So, but it doesn't really smell like that now. I literally just sniffed it to make sure. But it's not bad though now. Like this, obviously the smell is kind of gone, and I like this too. The texturing right there, it's not bad though. Like honestly, the scales aren't too bad. Like I don't feel like I'm gonna slip or anything. They do feel like the textured pretty well, and I'm not gonna slip or anything. It feels pretty good. You do have your backspacer right there. That matches obviously the micarta, the look of it and everything, and it has like a little bit of jimping right there. So it's kind of cool. Like you kind of get your fingers, your hand on there, and I guess it's going to help you not slip and everything like that. I didn't like the pocket clip. I don't like the pocket clip. like it's kind of, here, let me see if I can flip it with my hand when you guys can see it. Or maybe. Here, let's put the blade away. That's a smart idea too, right? Yeah, let's do that. It's kind of hard. It's kind of hard to pull back, which I guess it is good, but kind of hard to get it open enough to get it in my pocket because it's so low to the knife. And I don't know, I didn't like the way it looked. It looked kind of crappy, I guess, but it, you know, it's good. It's not gonna break on you, it feels like. It just seemed kind of like an afterthought almost. Like, hey, let's throw this on there real quick and be done. I don't know what the screws are. That looks almost, they're all T8s. Let's all see if they're T8s. Those are obviously not. Those are, yep, they are T8s, and the pocket clip is a T6. So I guess pocket clip's alright with being T6. You know, if it's that, not too bad, I guess. It is obviously a liner lock. The liner lock's pretty tight though. Like you're gonna have to kind of. Well, it's not like a lot of my other liner locks where you can kind of just boom go. Like it's kind of got a little bit of resistance to it right there, which I guess is good. You know, not bad. Better be safe than sorry, right? But they kind of tried to. I don't know if I can show you. Hold on. You got the backspacer right there. Let me see if I can. See, so it's got some little circles kind of whittled into it. Not whittled, but you know, taken out of it so to make it a little bit lighter. We'll get the scale out because I know this is a heavy boy. But yeah, so they tried to lighten it up a little bit. And another thing is with the pot clip, it's not reversible. Kind of sucks. It's not necessarily deep carry, it is, but you're going to have like that much popping out right there, you know? That's kind of annoying. As big of a knife as it is, I would almost want it all in my pocket, but you know, you just got to live with stuff sometimes. Let's check the overall length and everything for you so you know that. Here's my purple little fabric tape measure. The cutting edge is about, man, it's a little over 3.5, 3.6 maybe. Yep. Oh, yep. That's what it says. The website said 3.6. Check out that overall length, and that is about 8.5, or yeah, 8.5, 8.5. So that's pretty daggone close. So it's a little bit bigger. Let's check that weight real quick. Not the weight. Let's check the size real quick with the other knives. Let's check my Civivi Praxis. Everybody knows that's a pretty decent sized knife. And man, I don't know. That might just be the same size. I think that, I don't know. I think that might just be a hairball longer. Looks pretty close though. Let's check out the Kunwu S Tau. That's a pretty large boy. And as you can see, the Mini Paragon kind of a little bit longer. So it's got a pretty good size, you know, knife on it. The handle's pretty good for it too, I think. You really like it. It does feel pretty good. It's got a little bit of groove right here and everything like that. So you're not gonna. I never felt like I was gonna slip off or anything. Let's check that weight real quick for you. I'm kind of curious to see how big it is. Maybe one day I'll get it to flip open with the thumb hole, obviously with my finger. See, it's stupid. Oh, another thing is the jimping's not too bad for what it is. Obviously, you're going to have to put a little bit of force because it is a bigger blade. Honestly, not as much force as you would think, but you got to give it a little oomph. But the texturing on it, the jimping, ain't real bad. It's not too bad at all. Let's see if I can get there you go. It's all the way around it too and everything. So it's not real bad. It's got this right here. I don't know what those are for necessarily. I don't know. I don't know. Let's check that weight. 6.9. So like I said, it's a big, she a big girl. She got some thighs on her. Which everybody loves a little bit of, you know, a little extra. I'm going to cut paper because I've never cut paper with it. And I'm kind of curious. Ugh. 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 I don't know if it's because of the blade too, because obviously it kind Got a little bit of a reverse belly on it or something like that. There we go. I think that might be some of my issues just because it's a... Yeah, I think it's just because it's a reverse belly type thing. Like, it's kind of... Actually, it's sharp once you get used to it. That's not bad. Honestly, I think it was because that little curve in it. I think that's what kind of got me with it. But, I don't know. Not a bad knife. I like it for what it is. Maybe another knife one day I'll put in a giveaway. That's like I can't remember how much it was. Maybe $100. I can't remember. Somewhere around there. Yeah, I kind of like it though. I don't know if anybody would want it though. I'm sure a free knife's a free knife, right? If it's in a budget, or not a budget, a giveaway, someone's gonna want that. But I don't know, I still like the way it looks. I think it's still kind of cool. But yeah. Oh, and also, no lanyard hole. Terrible thing. No lanyard hole. Oh well. If you like the video, obviously please give it a thumbs up. Love to love to have anybody comment, stuff like that. If you guys want to leave a comment about it, ask a question, or just say whatever, do your thing, But hope you all have a great day.